Hey students, let's solve one previous question of general aptitude. This question was asked in GATE CS 2026 set 2 GA question number 1. Expedite, hasten, hurry, dash. Fill the blank by choosing a word with a meaning similar to that of the word given above, and 4 options are given. Let's first understand each word meaning. What is expedite? Expedite means to make something happen faster. Then hasten means to speed up. Then hurry means start without waiting, do first. Now let's check options. Option A, accelerated means to increase speed or to cause a progress. Retard means slow down. Then provide means to supply something, to give something what is needed. Then disable means to making something inoperative or ineffective that will not function. So that is disable. All these words are related to speed. So only option that is related to speed is accelerated. That's why answer will be option A, accelerated. I already discussed lots of general aptitude previous question. Just go through the general aptitude PYQ. And if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.